Pop-ups are one of the fastest ways to get a visitor's attention, and popCards gives you full control over how you communicate with shoppers on your site. Whether you want to announce a sale, highlight important updates, offer a coupon, collect emails for your marketing list, or even show a special offer right when someone tries to leave your site, popCards makes it easy to create messages that show up at exactly the right moment. You can choose between quick message pop-ups for promotions and reminders, or opt-in pop-ups that help you grow your email list. And from there, you can customize everything: where the popcard appears, who sees it, when it shows up, how it behaves, how it looks, and even what happens after someone signs up, like showing a thank you message or sending a follow-up email. Like and subscribe so you never miss what's coming next at Epic Shops to help you sell more online. Now let me show you how to access popCards inside your Epic Apps dashboard. After logging into your Epic Apps account, look at the left sidebar. Under Apps, click the Website Marketing tab. Here, you'll see all the marketing tools available for your store, including popCards. And if you're seeing apps here that aren't in your account yet, don't worry, and definitely don't miss out. You can browse all Epic apps using the link on your screen or in the description box, and discover tools that can help you sell more online with Epic Shops. Now, click popCards to open it. You'll land on the App Overview page. This section gives you a quick introduction to what popCards does, how it helps your store grow, and where to get support anytime. At any point, you can click the Get Help button at the top right. When you open it, you'll see 3 support options: View Help Articles, Ask AI for Assistance, and Watch Video Help, all tailored to the page you're on. And if you want a demo or need extra support, just email support@epicshops.com. Our team is always excited to help you explore what's possible. And that's how you access popCards. In the next videos, we'll walk through creating your first popcard so you can start capturing attention, collecting emails, and promoting your offers with ease.